Hello everyone. So today we are going to make a very interesting project, a background remover application in Python. And don't worry, I'll explain every step slowly. So even if you are just starting out, you'll be able to do this with me. So let's begin. First of all, let's create a folder for our project. On Windows, we can just type mkdir, then your folder name. Here I will write background remover. Now we go inside it using cd and your folder name. So simple, right? Okay friends, quick note before we continue. If you don't want to type every command, you can simply download the project from my GitHub. Link is in the description. Just grab a repository, extract it, and follow the instructions from the README file. Everything will work. But if you want to learn and follow along, stay with me. I'll type every command and slowly explain them. Your choice, I'll be with you either way. Let's continue. Alright, now let's set up a virtual environment for our project. A virtual environment is just like a separate box where all the libraries of this project will stay, so they don't mix up with other Python projects on your system. To create it, just type this command python-m when environment. This will make a new folder called environment inside your project. Now to activate it on Windows, we type this command /environment /scripts /activate. And if you see this little environment at the beginning of your terminal, that means it's activated successfully. So from now on, any library we install will go only inside this environment. That's why this step is super important. Next, we need to install some Python libraries. At first, I tried installing all of them together like this, but as you can see, I got an error. Don't worry, this happens a lot. So here's the correct way. First, upgrade pip with this following command, and then install each library one by one. Finally, just check if everything is installed properly using pip list. Inside our folder, let's create a new file called app.py. This file will contain our code for the background remover app. We will use Streamlit to make the app run on the browser, and Rembg to remove the background of the image. Below is used for image handling. Once we have the code ready, let's run the application. For that, type the following command, and that's it. It will automatically open in your browser at localhost and 8501 port number. Here's the app working. I upload an image, then click on remove background. After a few seconds, ta-da! The background is gone and I can download the final image. So that's how we built our background remover application step by step. Very easy, right? If you found this helpful, do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such projects. Thank you.